Hey guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you the easiest way how you could downgrade Microsoft Windows admin account into a local or a standard account. To do that, all what you need to do if you have Windows 7, 8, 10, or 11, go to your search tab and type Control Panel. Once you see the app in blue, click on it to open. Next step, click under User Accounts on Change Account Type. Locate the concerned account and click on it, change account type, and here I have changed it into standard. Normally, once you change to standard, click on change account type and go back. And normally you should see it as a local account rather than an admin account. Thank you guys for watching. If you would like our help, you can always leave us a comment or send us an email with a description of your issue and we'll do our best to help you. If you'd like to encourage us, you can always press like and share, and do not forget to subscribe to get our latest videos.